Hello friends, through this video I want to share with you how to start online network marketing business. So if you have been thinking to start your own business and you want to do through a network marketing, that's very nice. I'm in this business for around 2 to 3 years now and I have experienced all the worst thing. So I've taken this blog from the internet that is by okcredit.in. First of all, I'll read out for you what are the points they have discussed here. Study the market. So before you enter into the business world, you need to understand the market first, or you need to understand what this business is all about. So in my previous video, I have discussed that network marketing is a home-based business and it's a product distribution business, a business which you can start with very low investment. Second, you need to determine affordability because every company or every business has a product. You need to identify that whether you will be able to buy their products or not. If it's costly for you, it will be costly for others as well. So determine the affordability. Third, identify your target market. You see, everything is not for everyone, and this particular quote is very powerful in network marketing. Network marketing is for everyone, but everyone is not for network marketing, or everyone can't do network marketing. So you need to identify who can do the business with you, right? By advertising yourself on social media like I do right now. Fourth, search for a network marketing company. Once you identify the affordability, once you identify your target market, then you need to look for a good company because there are lots of frauds companies these days which come and go within 5 years, right? But a good network marketing has a good product which are affordable, which are valuable to our problems. So you need to look such company. Five, invest cautiously. You see, business is all about capital, right? But network marketing is not like any other business. Though it needs capital, but you don't need to invest much in the beginning. You first need to study. You just need to understand the product first of all without investing much, right? And six, get your credential, which is very important. Online business is all about your credentials. You people will look for you. People will look on you whether you are expert in the business or not before uh, collaborating with you, before doing business partnership with you. So first of all, you need to improve yourself to the point that people wanted to get associate with you and do business partnership with you. So the way how I do it is by reading books daily, that is reading out loud. By doing that, so I'm able to improve my communications. I'm able to improve my vocabulary. That's how I can talk with people confidently and precisely. Third, identify opportunities. You need to look for people needs. Let's say in network marketing, you can sell product at the same time you can share your service. That means the opportunity. So if you find someone who are interested in making money, then you can bring him in the business and do business partnership with him. Or someone may needs the product, you can sell them to, right? In that way, you can earn the differences. Lastly, connect with other marketers. This business is very common and very attractive to everyone because it has a low startup and the return are given, or it's possible to scale to how much you want to scale. That is why people are very interested in this business. But the point is, you need to understand properly. So to understand it, you can research by yourself. You can look on the internet. You can read books after books to understand the concept. But my suggestion to you is that it's better to connect with other marketers so that you don't waste your time looking and figuring out by yourself, right? So that you can get others person point of views and start doing the business as soon as possible. So that is how you can start this business online. And lastly, this is a bonus tip for you. Online business has this uh, idea or this principle that is know, like, and trust. Before you start your business fully, people should know who are you, what do you do. Then once you give them valuable content, they will start liking you, and lastly, they will trust you. And business is all about trust. If you can gain trust, people will do business with you. And trust is trust can be earned, right? So you need to provide them valuable information. That's it. So I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain. You can read by yourself. I'll leave this blog link in the description. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you soon.